On my next camping trip, I'm going to sleep on this air mattress that I don't have to blow up. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might like to camp. You might like to just sleep on the floor of your own house. I picked this up. It's by ZZANNI, like Yanni. And it's a pretty small little air mattress here. I got it in the orange. You can get them in different colors here. I just wanted something bright, like myself. And also something that I can use to flag down the Coast Guard if I ever get in trouble. Nice little drawstring pack here. So here's the air mattress. We're definitely gonna try it out, lay down on it, and see what we think. But I just want to open this up because this air mattress is a little novel. Now, first of all, I will say it kind of feels like a cloth, almost like a bed sheet, which is kind of nice because a lot of these are very rubber. Even on the back here, this is actually a pretty soft touch. Might be a little hard to see. Really long air mattress. Now, one of the unique things about this is that it has these little valves, and what we have here is a little outline of a foot. You might be able to see that because you're going to use your foot to pump this up. Now that can be nice because sometimes you don't want to blow in your air mattress. Maybe you're using someone else's. Maybe you haven't used your air mattress in a long time. It's got that old breath from years ago still in there. So this is kind of nice because you're not going to have to put your mouth on anything. You're not going to have to blow anything up manually. You are going to use your foot, which is always gross, and no one ever puts their mouth on it. So what I want to show you here is that we have two little openings, and I think this one is going to be the release. So this is going to let you evacuate all the air out. Open that up. Kind of pull this out again here. That's going to just give you a straight access to the inner portion of the air mattress. It's going to allow you to squish this down. All that air is going to come out and get evacuated. So I'll put this back in here like this, and then I'll close that up. So now it's nice and airtight. But this is the one where we basically have a pump here. And I want to show you that if I open the two caps of the valve and then press on it, hand or foot. So what I'm going to do is open top valve, and we've got another level to this valve, so I've got that opened up. And now what I'm going to do here is just start pressing on this, and I basically think you kind of want to lift off. You kind of want to come all the way off it. It doesn't have to mean you lift your foot all the way off it like this, but what you want to do is you want to allow air to get back in there. Or if you're pumping it with your hand, kind of press it in and then let it breathe and keep doing that. So I'm going to try this with my foot because I think my leg is going to last a little longer than my hand here, but I feel like it's pumping already. Let's keep pumping and see if it works. And again, I think my heel over the opening there is the easiest way to do this. And I basically think that it's inflating this portion under my foot with the foam that's inside of it. So the foam is kind of opening it up, collecting air, and then when you push, it pushes it into the mattress. So I can see it already inflating. And what's awesome about this is I'm not getting lightheaded, I'm not getting winded. I'm doing this just with muscle power. And again, like I said, I'm not putting my mouth on anything, especially if it's cold. Maybe you have a dry mouth, maybe you're worried about germs, maybe you don't use an air mattress very often and you don't like tasting 10-year-old saliva. So I just want to show you here, it's already inflating. So I'm going to save you the rest of the inflation here, and I'm going to get this all the way pumped up, and then we'll try it out and see if it's comfy. All right. Woo! Dude, this is comfortable. I am hovering at least a couple inches above the ground right now, and this is comfy. I can't feel the ground at all. It's nice and stiff, but it's squishing around my body and creating a really nice, comfortable sleeping experience. I love the little indentation in here. It's kind of cradling my head as well. It's super nice to have this big pillow. It's kind of just lifting my head up just enough, you know, because I don't think you can control the inflation of the pillow separately from the rest of the air mattress. So I was a little worried that maybe I'd be really up, you know, like a Craftmatic adjustable bed or something, but this is perfect, man. Oh, dude, this is gonna be awesome. You know, I was thinking not only using this for camping, it's nice and small, it'll go with you anywhere. It's obviously easy to set up with just foot or hand power. But then also, when I do road trip here and sleep in my car, one of the nice things is I'm gonna be able to sleep on a nice comfortable mattress, and I'm gonna be able to inflate it inside my car. If I'm road tripping and ending up sleeping in my car, you know, you drive until you're really tired, the last thing you wanna do is and blow up an air mattress. It almost wakes you up. It's like taking in all that air. So this way I can just kind of inflate it with my foot or my arms or my hands and then catch some Z's. So that's perfect. This is great, man. And it wasn't that expensive. I picked this up based on the fact that I didn't have to blow into it, that it had a built-in pump. But it is super comfortable, which is really awesome. And then my last criteria was this is actually as cheap as any of the cheap air mattresses out there. So it's not a lot of money either. It's actually one of the cheapest ones I could find, and I think feature rich and super comfy. So if this is gonna make your camping life a little easier and you wanna pick one up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.